All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of RDDC, and today we have the Hot Wheels RLC Ford GT40 Mk II in black. So let's take a better look at it here now that we got it all unboxed for you. And there we go, man. This thing, it looks pretty sweet, actually. So whoever missed it should definitely go back and go get one. They're running for about $65 right now. But this one is black with silver stripes. It's like a four-tone. It's got bronze, white, silver, and black. So the decals on the side are white. The stripes are silver. The wheels are bronze. Then the car is a really nice gloss jet black there. So definitely feeling this one, man. So the nice rivets on the side there. So just overall, just pure sickness, man. The engine cover opens on this one, so you can see the engine. So moving parts is always a plus, guys. So, man, if you missed it, man, I'm telling you, this one is probably one of the nicer ones that they're going to release this year. And it just looks bad, man. So, yeah, just a classic Ford style there. Just an overall iconic car in the racing world, the Ford GT40. So there you go, man. The number 2 for Mk II. Like I said, black on silver stripes. So just silver, not white. So it's a nice exhaust coming out the back there. So yeah, man. Look at that, like a little scoop right there. Let some of the heat out. And then overall, man, just a really nice addition to the RLC line. So you can do several different colors in this. You can do the white and blue. You can do the red and white. I think they make it yellow and black. You can do the golf. You can do a lot of different ones with this one. So it is pretty cool to see this now in an RLC Redline Club edition instead of just a main line. So there we go, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and go check out our website, man.